Hello viewers, today I am going to fix this neckband from Reconnect. If I connect the charger, let us see by connecting the charger. Actually this is not working. Charger is connected. Now light should come here. It's not coming. There are various possibilities of not working. Let's open the battery side and see whether the battery is good or not first. Then we have to check out the other problems. Now removing this cable, let us open this charging side housing. That's it, just prying it. This is the battery. Let's check the voltage here. There is no voltage at all. Alright, let's put the new battery and check. Battery is removed. This is the old battery. Let's see the voltage in this battery first. It was 0 actually, but still let's check. There is very least voltage, 0.04. It should be somewhere around 3.7 or 3.5 at least minimum. So I think battery is gone. This is the new battery. So let's see the voltage of this battery. Alright, 3.78, battery is good. Since this is new, let's fix this and try charging and playing the neckband. Time to fix this battery. Plus will go to plus. Minus will go to minus. Alright. Let's try turning on the speaker. Before that, let's put for charging. Light should come. Yeah, light is coming now. You can see here. Red light is coming. That means the earphone is charging. Alright, now let's turn on the headphone before fitting it back. Yeah, it is in pairing mode now. Let me connect the mobile. Alright, the device is connected to this mobile. I am playing the song now. This is the one side. Now the other side. So the headphone is working perfectly. Let's put it back together. Now we have to keep like this. It's a clip system, so no problem at all fixing this one. Now just pressing like this. You can see here. That's it. Perfect fit, and it's working again. Back to life. Let me show you now again. Let me check again. This is the right side. Song is coming. I'm coming closer. Right side. Alright, the neckband is back to life. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.